my name is Chef Wendy Swazi and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be here. So today we're going to be making a beautiful fish recipe of mine, but before that I want to tell you about this channel and what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be doing challenges. Sometimes I'm going to be cooking with my sister, my boyfriend, etc, etc. I'm super excited, so please subscribe, hit the notification bell. So they say, yeah, I'm very excited. So right here we have some hake with the skin off. It's from I&G, which they are amazing. I also have this amazing InPaarmans spice that I use. It's basically the main ingredients, and some lemon and garlic. So I'm super excited. Let's get started. Add some olive oil to the pan, not too much. Okay, now that we have our oil and it's heated, we're going to add our fish slowly but surely. Make sure not to burn yourself. Woo! Turn it around after a while. It's beautiful. I would be using my tongs for this, but they aren't here. Speaking of that, I actually got questions from you guys, and what did it say? The one said, what else do you like to do besides cooking? I don't know. I think about cooking like when I'm sleeping and I wake up and I want to make certain things, so I really don't know. I like painting, but I don't have time. Yeah, that's all. Now we're gonna make our sauce. Okay. So I'm gonna add some lemon slices just for aesthetics, you guys, and some flavor obviously, but mainly aesthetics. The other one said, what advice would you give, like in terms of cooking? I say don't be afraid, because if you're afraid, you're not gonna do anything. Like, don't be afraid of getting burnt. The main thing is don't be scared. Don't be scared to get burnt. Don't be scared to cut yourself. Like, don't be scared to try new things, like new flavors, you know? Yeah, and don't be afraid of certain dishes. Like, I hear my sister, who is always afraid of making like big dishes, like clamby stew, like a lamb stew seems really scary to her, or like fish or something. Don't be afraid, like do it, you know? Yeah, so we're gonna pull out this fish now to make the sauce. The sauce is super easy. Woo. Okay. Obviously, don't pull it out with your hands. I am qualified. I can do it. So we're gonna add some milk right here. Teaspoon of garlic. You can add more, obviously. Some lemon. Right. And then mix it up. It does look a little bit shady. But don't worry. Once it reduces, it won't look like this anymore. Okay, I promise. Okay. Once you've had it mixed, I'm gonna add the spice. It has a bit of flour, so that's what combines it, right? Then add I think about a teaspoon. I'm not a measuring girl. I think measuring just makes cooking so boring. Yeah, see? Okay. And then just let it go. I've noticed that people that don't cook much, like they always want to mix, like all the time. Honestly, just let it be, okay? Okay. So we're gonna put the fish back in, just so that it combines with the sauce. And then we can get a beautiful shot of it. So we're all done with the recipe. You guys saw it's beautiful and it tastes even better. It tastes like so here I have butternut and broccoli. Doesn't really have much, so I didn't show it. We're gonna eat it with that because you guys know I'm a healthy hen. Yeah, we don't do rice here. So we're all done, you guys. As you guys can see, it's amazing. I'm about to taste right now. Don't you wish you were me? Okay. Ooh, the fish is breaking. We don't eat fish that's like chewy. Okay. So please guys, subscribe before I turn this into a mukbang. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Tell your friends, tell your dad, tell your mom, tell everybody that you can, please. Okay, bye. It's been blissful.